My name is Kevin Lloyd. I've been here about 13 years, and this is the South Chicago neighborhood. The issues were mainly safety. It was just a mess. There was a large tree over here. The roots had just tore up the sidewalk, made it all uneven. It was hard to work on. I'm a person with a disability, and it was just a bad situation for everybody. We've got a school up on the corner. The kids walking to school, trip hazards all over. So I appealed to the city to try and get the work done. First of all, had to get the tree cut down. The alderman interceded, helped me get that done. She helped me get the city to also do all the concrete work. And that was literally done back from the alley all the way up here to the corner. Driveway, sidewalk, the corner, the curbs, everything. But once that got done, then we proceeded with trying to do everything else as far as the lawn care and the gardening. When we originally moved here, in back of me were the original rocks and the little boxwoods and stuff like that. So we thought that a continuation of that throughout the property would just match up and it looked nice. We called our landscaper. His name was Jose, J-Scapes Landscaping. And he came out, gave us an estimate on everything. With his help, we got everything done. And it turned out better than we could have ever imagined. We just love everything about it. And particularly, it was the participation and encouragement that our neighbors gave us. And people would just come by and give us encouragement. And I mean, the firemen, police department, they would all see the progress. And once we got it done, it looked great. We almost felt not only a self-serving type of interest because we wanted our curb appeal to look nice, but because it's a corner lot, we wanted to also have a little bit special to show the neighborhood, the community.